Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Great to see you as always. So we are going to be playing more games today, but instead of adding one, we're going to subtract one. Okay, so we're going to take away, just like with the word problem. So let me click here. That was cool. So you should have out this paper. It says subtraction minus 1. And just like with addition, we're going to put it in your... Here, let me see if I can do this again. Yeah, I like this. We're going to put it in your dry erase sleeve. Okay, it looks like this. All right. So I put this on one side, and then the other paper has a number path, and I put that on the other side. So if you want to go ahead and do that now, you can pause the video, okay? And so that's already in there. And then we're going to start with the 10 frame one, okay? So what you need, just like yesterday, is your dry erase marker. Okay, you need a eraser, all right? And you need one of your dice. It could be the 6-sided or the 10-sided. I'm going to go with 10-sided today. If you're finding this to be difficult, I would recommend doing the 6-sided. But if you're getting the hang of it, then I would recommend the 10-sided. And if you want, you can use some of your cubes. Okay? All right. So once you have your materials, we'll get started. So pause the video if you need to, okay? To get your materials, marker, eraser, and one of the dice. And come on back when you're ready. All right, are we ready? Okay, let's get this party started. So we're gonna roll. Ooh, I got a 7. I like that. Okay, so I can either put my cubes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 7. And then I would take 1 away. I took 1 away. Haha. Don't eat it, by the way. Okay? And so now we see, well, how many do we have left? I took 1 away, and we still have 5, 6 left. I'm going to write down 6. Okay? And then you would do the same thing again. Let's clear these out. Oh, by the way, if you wanted to draw instead, you could just draw 7 circles, or triangles, or squares, or stars, whatever you feel like. And then to take away 1, just cross 1 out. So you can see you had 7, you took 1 away, or you could just erase it. I kind of like crossing it out though. You could erase it, and now you have 6. Okay? So now I'm going to erase all of that. And let's do another one. Oh, did I just roll that? Did I get a 10? Oh, I'll do it again. Okay. All right, I got a 2. So I could put 2 cubes. Right? I got a 2. And I have to take away 1. So I take it away. Pretend like they're cookies, right? All right. And we are left with how many are left? We have 1 cube left. Right there. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so I want you, you don't copy this down. This is just me showing you how to play it. But I want you now to go ahead and play the game. Okay, I'll do one more just to show. I got a 1. I don't want to do 1 because I could do 1. I'll do 1 real quick to show you what happens. So watch. I'm going to put 1 on. I'm going to take away 1. Actually, this is good. How many are left, boys and girls? None. What do I write? I write 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. All right. So remember, you can either use the cubes. Let's get something higher. Not 7 again. Let's get something different. 10. You can either use the cubes, or you can just write. I'm going to do 10 stars. That means I'm going to fill the whole thing up. And now I take away 1. So I'm going to take away, I'm going to erase one of them. And now I have how many? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 take away 1 is 9. Okay? All right, so if you flip your, if you flip this over, if you put the subtraction one in, okay, it says subtraction minus 1, but this time it has a number path. So it's 1 to 20. You're not going to need these yet, okay? All right, so it's okay if my face covers up some of them because we're not going to get that high. But same way we did last time, we're going to roll the dice. I got an 8. Okay, so I find my 8. But this time, instead of hopping up 1, we're going to hop back 1. So I'm going to hop back this way. Whoop. So now I end up at 7. I subtracted 1 and got 7. See how I went backwards 1 like that? Okay, I'll show you another one. 2. Let me erase this. So now I'm at 2. So just watch me right now, okay? And then when I'm done, you can play the game, okay? So I'm at 2. And then I'm going to hop back. And I'm going to land on 1. Because I went 1 back. So 2 take away 1 is 1. Okay, and then I would erase. And then I would just keep on going. When I finish, I could erase and play again. I could play all day if I wanted. I mean, why not? What's better than math? So if I roll, I rolled another 8. If you get the same number, you can roll again, right? That's fair. Oh, I got a 6. Remember, the dot goes at the bottom. I got a 6. So I'm going to circle the 6. I'm going to hop back 1, and I'm going to end up at the 5. So right before the 6 is the 5. And I'm going to write that down. Okay, boys and girls, so have fun playing these games. I hope they begin to help you to see that every time you subtract 1, you are just going back 1 number in the counting sequence. So actually, boys and girls, something that would be good for you to do in practice is to count backwards from 10 and then from 20. So use your fingers. You can go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Because then when you're counting back from 1, you can say, okay, 6 take away 1. Okay, well, 6 before 6 is 5. 5 take away 1. Before 5 is 4. 4 take away 1. Before 4 is 3. And so on. All right, boys and girls, great job today. Have fun, okay? I'm really proud of you. Keep up the good work. Play your games, okay? Spend some time doing that. It's good practice for you. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.